To create passive income with AI, you can leverage its capabilities in automation, content creation, and data analysis to establish income streams that require minimal ongoing effort after the initial setup. Here are several effective methods to achieve this. 1. AI-generated digital product. Use AI tools to create digital assets such as art, music, or writing, which can be sold online. For example, art tools like DALL-E or Midjourney can generate unique images from text prompts. You can mint these as NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and sell them on marketplaces like OpenSea, potentially earning royalties from secondary sales. Music. AI platforms like Aiva can compose original tracks that you can license for use in videos or commercials via stock music sites. Writing. AI can produce ebooks or blog posts that you can sell or monetize through ads. Once these products are created and listed, sales can generate income passively through automated platforms. 2. AI-powered software or apps. Develop software or applications that utilize AI to provide valuable services, then monetize them through subscriptions or one-time purchases. Examples include an AI chatbot for customer support that businesses subscribe to monthly, a web app that generates personalized workout or meal plans, charging users a recurring fee. After development and launch, the AI handles the core functionality, making the income relatively passive with occasional maintenance. 3. Automated trading systems. Build AI algorithms that trade financial assets like stocks or cryptocurrencies autonomously. These trading bots analyze market data and execute trades based on predefined strategies. If designed effectively, they can generate profits without constant supervision, though they require initial setup and periodic adjustments to adapt to market changes. 4. AI-enhanced e-commerce. Implement AI in an online store to optimize operations and boost sales with minimal effort. AI can provide personalized product recommendations to increase conversions, adjust pricing dynamically based on demand, automate customer service with chatbots. Once integrated, these enhancements can run independently, turning an e-commerce venture into a more passive income source. Number 5. Licensing AI models. Create and train AI models that solve specific problems, then license them to businesses or individuals. For instance, an AI model that predicts market trends could be sold as a subscription service to companies. A predictive analytics tool could be offered via an API, charging per use. After development, licensing provides recurring revenue with little additional work per client. Key considerations. While these methods can generate passive income, most require some initial effort, e.g. development, setup, or marketing, and occasional oversight, e.g. updates or quality checks. To maximize passivity, automate as much of the process as possible, such as sales, delivery, and customer support. Choose scalable models where the effort doesn't increase significantly with more users or sales. By using AI in these ways, you can create systems or products that work for you over time, turning technology into a source of passive income tailored to your skills and interests. Try Deep Search to research wider. Deep Search, think, edit image,